Hello and welcome back to Doofs in the Kitchen. This is Quarantine Edition, episode number 2. And today we're making our probably number 1 snack from Walt Disney World, and it is the pineapple Dole Whip.
We have the ingredients laid out here. The recipe calls for 1 big scoop of vanilla ice cream, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, and 2 cups of frozen pineapple. So we got to put all that in the blender, and we will mix it all up, put it in a piping bag, and swirl it up in a bowl. See if it ends up just like the Dole Whips in the park. And we have 2 special friends joining us for the sampling portion of this video, and they'll give us their opinions on what they think of this recipe. Let's get to it. I made sure to get Dole branded pineapple juice so that we can make it an honest recipe. Ready to get to it?
Yeah.
Let's get to blending.
Okay, what else?
4 ounces of pineapple juice. Then the pineapple.
Hold it over this in case
So it's just running right out.
Ready? Look at that, it's perfect.
No, it's not.
Oh no. It's running everywhere.
Okay, these are our friends, Nunley and James. They're gonna help us sample our Dole, whatever this. Dole soup, exactly. This did not turn out
as expected.
It did not stay in the piping bag. It is literally just soup.
I mean, it tastes good.
I mean, it tastes good.
Yeah.
It tastes very Dole Whippy.
It does taste very
It tastes Dole Whippy, it just doesn't have the Dole Whippy consistency.
So I guess that means I need to invest in one of those churner things.
You need to get, if we had maybe one of the Ninja blenders or something.
I mean, if Ninja wants to reach out, and give us a
I mean, look at this.
a blender,
it's kind
we
of
get
just this.
Hashtag not sponsored.
not sponsored. But if you do want to sponsor us, we could, do something with it. But
It tastes like a Dole Whip.
Yeah.
The consistency is nothing like a Dole Whip.
I actually think we were a little too conservative with the ice cream.
You think?
I think we should have put more in it.
Yeah, and we put 2 scoops of ice cream in it. I personally don't like the chunks of pineapple that are in it. It almost kind of tastes like it's like the consistency's got pulp in it. I don't like that. It doesn't make it feel like a Dole Whip ice cream. It makes it feel like
a smoothie.
Also, we use vanilla bean ice cream, and it's kind of weirded me out that there's little brown or black flecks.
So overall, for our first attempt at making this, minus the pulp,
it tastes like a Dole Whip.
it tastes like a Dole Whip.
It does.
Doesn't feel like a Dole Whip, and it doesn't look like a Dole Whip.
And
Well, quarantine times call for quarantine.
Right.
Yeah.
that's our experience with the Dole Whip.
What should we do for episode 3?
I was planning to do the beignets.
Oh yeah, we have to do Mickey beignets.
That's why we got our Mickey cookie cutters. So with that said, see you next time with Doofs in the Kitchen Quarantine Edition. Remember,
No cakes.
Hello and welcome back to.
I'm excited. I love Dole Whips.
You realize that's not frozen pineapple.
It's a prop for the video, people.
Actually, what had happened is that this doof forgot to get the frozen pineapple, so our special guests for the day, they went to go get it for us.
I come by the name Doof, honestly.
Honestly, what other brand would you ever buy?
I don't know. I mean, it's a Dole Whip. It's not a Great Value Whip. Or whatever is at Ingles. Laura Lynn Whip.
Quiet on set.
Exactly. Quiet on set.
This isn't going to pipe out very well.
There we go.
You need to see me.
Yeah, I just want to get your cleavage out of the shot.
Fixed it.
Yay! We did an episode together.
Tune in next time for Cooking with the Doofs. In the kitchen.